Any business must prioritize cybersecurity. Governments as well as businesses require top-notch cybersecurity to ensure that their data is kept secure and also not compromised or released to the public. And as machine learning and artificial intelligence gain prominence, these technologies are even starting to play a major role in cybersecurity. Machine learning has numerous applications in cybersecurity, including recognizing cyber risks, upgrading available antivirus software, combating cybercrime that also employs AI capabilities, and so on.
Hello everyone, welcome to Tutort Academy's YouTube channel. My name is Alankar and I have got for you a new case study on application of machine learning in cybersecurity.
Let's have a look at the 4 areas where organizations are using machine learning and AI to solve real-world cybersecurity challenges. Number 1. Identification of cyber threats. Cybersecurity is a crucial aspect of every business. After all, they are doomed if a hacker can access their systems. Finding out whether connection requests into the system are legal and whether any suspicious looking activities such as receiving and transmitting large amount of data are being carried out by company employees or by cyber threats is the most challenging aspect of cybersecurity. For cybersecurity experts, this is exceedingly challenging to spot, especially in large firms where requests frequently number in thousands and humans are not always reliable. Machine learning can be quite helpful to professionals in this situation. Any incoming and outgoing calls as well as all requests to the system may be monitored to look for suspicious behavior using a cyber threat identification system that is powered by AI and machine learning. Number 2. Modeling user behavior. Cyber attackers may target a specific business by collecting the login information from any of its users and then breaking into the network. Given that the user credentials are real and that a cyber attack may potentially take place without anyone being aware of it, this is exceedingly difficult for standard antivirus software to identify. Here, user behavior modeling is a tool that machine learning algorithms can utilize to help. The machine learning system may be trained to recognize each user's unique activity, including their login and logout habits. The machine learning system can then detect when a user behaves differently from how they typically do and notify the cybersecurity team of the usual behavior. Although there will be undoubtedly some natural shift in user activity patterns, this will nevertheless aid in capturing more cyber threats than traditional techniques. Number 3. Combating threats from AI. Nowadays, a lot of hackers use machine learning to detect security gaps in systems and compromise them. Therefore, businesses must embrace machine learning for cybersecurity as well as fighting fire with fire. As they become more tech-savvy, this may even turn into a norm for defending against cyber attacks. Consider the deadly NotPetya assault, which made the use of Eternal Blue, a flaw in the Windows operating system from Microsoft. With the use of artificial intelligence and machine learning, these types of attacks could become even more severe in the future, unless cybersecurity software makes use of same technologies. Number 4. Email surveillance. To stop cybersecurity attacks like phishing, it is crucial to keep an eye on employees' official company email accounts. Phishing attacks can be carried out by sending phony emails to employees requesting them to provide personal information such as business passwords, banking and credit card information, or sensitive information about their jobs. By monitoring the employees' business emails to see if any features suggest a cybersecurity issue, cybersecurity software and machine learning can be utilized to prevent these phishing traps. Additionally, natural language processing can be utilized to examine the emails for any unusual wordings or trends that would point to a phishing attempt. Machine learning is still a relatively recent development in cybersecurity industry. The main thing to keep in mind is that machine learning algorithms should reduce the number of acts that they by mistake label as hostile or being a part of a cyber attack but are not. To recognize and handle new and varied type of assaults with even more precision using machine learning, businesses must guarantee that they interact with their cybersecurity specialist.
So these were the application of machine learning in cybersecurity. We hope that you have liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.